Hi, I'm Phil and welcome to this unboxing video of the DS480 truck kit. Now I'm going to be taking you through what you get when you purchase this kit, but essentially when it's delivered, you're going to get two boxes. The first box here, you're going to get in your tablet, your VCI and everything else in that. In this one, you're going to get all of the adapter leads for trucks, buses and trailers. So let's take a look in. We're going to look in this one first. Well, first of all, it's in a workshop-friendly, rugged case. Now, what do you get inside it? Well, we're going to start off with the tablet. So this is the latest Windows Microsoft Surface Pro 7 with that latest Intel processor. On the back here, we've got the nice, friendly carry handle where we can twist it there depending on how we want to orientate it. Also on the back, you've got your workshop stand. So if we need to stand it up while it's on our desk or bench, that's going to make life really easy. Now, sometimes when we're working with gloves, some of the touchscreen features on any touchscreen, then it can never work 100%, especially if you've got a lot of oil, grease on them as well. So because of that, we supply a touch pen as well. And generally, you only need to use it when your hands are particularly dirty and you're getting some issues on the touchscreen. So it's supplied in this rugged case customized for Delphi Technologies. Now, when you receive it, we can see here that we have a security dongle. If that's not already been fitted, then you'll actually find it in the VCI. We're going to come to that in a moment. All you've got to do is take it out of there and pop it in and you'll be working. Now, the nice thing about this is we can have the car and truck software working on the same tablet. Now, your car software is going to cover all light vehicles and also your van range. And then the heavy duty software, we can just skip between the two softwares on that same tablet. Now, with that, what you also get is a USB hub. We've tested and had this one made specifically so it works well with our tablet. Now, here's a nice little feature you'll like. We can plug it in at the side here. It gives us more connectivity, so we have a USB-C here, we have two USB-A's and two USB-C's there. Now if you bring it round, it magnetizes onto the back of the tablet and it won't fall off. And this is great if you want to expand your connectivity and perhaps there's things that you want to connect via USB-C, then you can use the hub. Now the nice thing is the USB-C cable, we have a C to C, is included in that kit as well. Now, you also get the power adapter for it, and you'll include the correct adapter for the correct country, and in that powers the tablet, and it also has got an extra output here for another USB device. So that's all the tablet and everything. Next onto is the VCI. Now, one of the great things about this VCI is it is both 12 volt and 24 volt compatible. So when you're going between trucks and vans, there's no adapter cables needed. There's nothing else you're going to have to change. You're going to be able to switch the software quickly and keep with the same VCI. The VCI unit itself has USB-C connectivity on the side here. It also has built-in memory because it has a data logger, a flight recorder function that is built in directly to there. The 16-pin connector also has a light, making it easier to find that OBD connector inside that vehicle. Lastly, on this, we have a shoulder strap, which comes in here, and you've got the two that clip on to there. So if you are carrying it around the workshop, or you use this as a mobile technician, then it's just that little bit safer for you to use. Now, you might be thinking, I'm getting a lot of stuff here. When I receive it, what do I do with it? Well, the nice thing is, we have a handy guide. It takes you through what's included in the equipment, what all of the buttons are, and then what to do step by step. So as I mentioned earlier, if the dongle hasn't already been pre-installed, just grab it out of the VCI and pop it into the tablet. Let's take a look now at all of the trailer kits for the bus and truck as well. Again, supplied in a rugged case. So it's got two sections to it. You can see here we can access some cables through on this side and some cables through on this side. So this particular kit, which is included in the 480 truck kit, has 11 cables. It has 10 standard cables, and this covers all your trucks and your buses and your trailers. So for example, cables for Renault trucks, Volvo, Scania, DAF, MAN, and also for a lot of the trailer units, Knorr, Brem, Wabco, Haldex, and a few more. You also get included the ISO connector. So this is the connector that goes between the trailer and the truck when they're connected together, and it allows us to carry out diagnostics directly through the ISO cables on that truck. So as I say, you get everything included, everything to be able to get started. So thanks for watching our unboxing video of the DS480 truck kit. If you do want to see any more videos, then why not follow us on social media or visit our Masters of Motion online hub. And for more training and expert-led courses, then visit us at the Delphi Training Academy. See you soon.